In this video, you are going to learn how to export the color grading you did as a custom preset in Adobe Premiere Pro. The use of this method is simple. If you're recording videos in the same location with the same video settings and lighting setup, you don't need to repeat the color grading process every time. Instead, you can just drag and drop this color grade preset onto your video clips and your color grading is done in under 10 seconds. This can save you hours of video editing time. So follow the steps I'm about to show you. I'll also show you how to import that preset for a new video file. So stay connected. First, let's see how to export the color graded settings as a preset. After you have completed your color grading, open the Lumetri Color tab. Make sure you follow these steps right after grading your footage. Now, right click on the Lumetri Color option at the top and you will see a list of options. Here, you can export your color grading settings as .look or .cube or simply save them as a preset file. Maybe here you are having a doubt that what is the difference between .cube and .look. See, the primary difference is .cube LUT files are universal and can be used across multiple video editing applications like After Effects, DaVinci Resolve and others. .look files are Premiere Pro specific Lumetri preset files created within the Lumetri Color panel and they only work inside Premiere Pro. So if you're using multiple video editing software, now you know which format to export your preset in. Now we are moving to the step 2, saving your preset. Once you choose the format, Premiere Pro will ask you to select a destination. Pick the location you prefer and hit save. Now we are moving to the step 3, how to import your preset for another video. To use your preset on a new video, go back to the Lumetri Color panel, choose the Input LUT option and import your LUT file where you saved. If it doesn't show up under the basic correction section, don't worry, check under the Creative tab and it will definitely work. And that's it guys. This is how you can export your color grading as a preset in Premiere Pro and reuse it in other projects or even in different software depending on the format you choose. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials and YouTube related videos. Also check the description box for more resources that is going to be really helpful for your editing journey.